In the electric vehicle market, there are some very big competitors right now to Tesla, and that would be NIO and Nikola. NIO stock and Nikola stock are on the rise, and this might be the time to buy in before they skyrocket. I came across this title today: shares of electric vehicle makers NIO and Nikola could be better than Tesla. So what's really happening with NIO stock and Nikola stock? And are these two stocks actually ready to compete with the EV giant Tesla? So just a quick minute brief on NIO. NIO Cars is actually a company in China, and they're basically the Tesla of China. They have their own line of electric vehicles that are being sold nationwide. Now, while their market reach is only China currently, they do have plans to expand to the European and American markets in the near future. In the past few months, their stock has skyrocketed. I'll link two videos up above that you can go watch that kind of explain how that came to be. And the other possibly worthy competitor of Tesla is Nikola Motors. Now, Nikola Motors has not even produced a single vehicle yet, but their stock has been on the rise also. While NIO and Nikola are kind of different from Tesla in a lot of ways, they all share that common goal of being leaders in the electric vehicle marketplace. So as NIO and Nikola just had their earnings calls along with Tesla, let me go over NIO stock and Nikola stock, and let me show you why they might be good competitors to Tesla. Alright, so let's start with NIO stock. Their stock actually rose 11% on Monday because of their earnings. They actually sold record amounts of vehicles. NIO actually only produces SUVs currently for the Chinese market. So here are some numbers. Their total vehicle volume came to around 3,500. That is up quadruple from last year's numbers. Now, those numbers mainly include the NIO ES6, which accounted for 2,600 deliveries, and then their larger ES8 accounted for just under 1,000. Now, NIO also has a coupe SUV coming out very soon, the ES6, and that's supposed to be a very big seller and a competitor to the Tesla Model Y in China. Now, NIO has already started taking orders for the ES6, and they definitely think that it'll compete with that Tesla and the younger marketplace in China. Now, NIO's stock price has tripled in the past few months, and it just looks up from here, especially in the long term. NIO is currently sitting at around $13 to $14 after the news today, so expect that number to keep growing over the next few years. Alright, now on to Nikola stock and the Nikola Badger. Unfortunately, Nikola stock fell 9% on Tuesday because of their earnings call. They lost $86.6 million in the second quarter alone this year. Now, here's a quote from Nikola. They actually say the global pandemic caused disruption in Nikola's supply chain. So that's actually the reason that they're saying they're losing all this money because of the supply chain. They couldn't get their supplies to actually start production on their Nikola Badger. Now, unlike Tesla and NIO, the Nikola Badger is actually going to be a hydrogen-powered vehicle. Now, Nikola plans to start production on the Nikola Badger at the end of 2021, so it is still a long ways away, but they are ramping up some factories. They have one in Germany, and then they're also building one in Arizona. They say once the Arizona factory is done, they'll be able to pump out 35,000 Nikola Badgers a year. Now, while I do agree that the Nikola Badger looks way better than the Tesla Cybertruck, I'm not sure if they'll be able to keep up with the brand of Tesla, especially with these supply chain problems that might even push them back further. Now, on the year, shares of Nikola have grown over 273%, and this number should go up if they can actually meet their production goals in the next few years. They do have an edge over NIO in my opinion because they are going to be in the US market. People like how the Nikola Badger looks, and I do think it will sell. But the real question is, can NIO stock or Nikola stock actually keep up with Tesla? And in my opinion, that answer is no. Tesla is already dominating the Chinese marketplace, pumping out way more vehicles to way more consumers in China than NIO is currently. You'll see Teslas all over the world. They're very prominent in Europe and the United States. You can basically see a Tesla in any big city or suburb in the United States just because of their value. An electric car is cool to have, and Tesla is the only one in the world mass producing these cars. Now, what I will say is NIO stock, Tesla stock, and Nikola stock are all probably good bets for the long term, so they should be part of your investment portfolio. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of NIO, Tesla, and Nikola. Do you like their cars? Are you invested in their stocks? Let me know down below and I'd love to chat with you. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe with those alert bells on for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great one.